So hello guys, I promise you all to reveal my real voice. And there it is if you subscribe and like and comment. So who just subscribe for me and comments? I don't know. Just please comment for me. Okay? And this is my real voice. Wait. You just know guys, I'm a Filipino girl. Cause there, I just rebooted. Cause my real voice is this. Hello guys po. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng buhay. There, just only in my words. Cause I live in Philippines. So, please like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you po sa lahat na nag-comments, sa subscribe at nag-like sa viewers. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng magandang buhay. Bye-bye. Thank you po lahat. And then the next day, I will reveal my outfits. Next day. In the next, one day. Kapag tapos ng isang araw. At please subscribe niyo po ako. 11 subscribers na po ako. Please. Tapos magbasa niyo po. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng magandang buhay and please subscribe me. I'm waiting for 100 subscribers. Thank you for everything. And thank you God for your all help. And bye bye guys. Love you and me. Bye.